Let's do Simon Says now. I swear if I die doing this, I'm actually gonna have a bra moment. Are you kidding me? I was doing Simon Says, you asshole!
Alright.
Where was the body?
Comms. Around the entrance of field between comms and shit, like the hallway over there.
Comms?
Yeah.
What?
Communication.
Where's that?
I was about to hit the right.
It's
actually,
right
but-
east of storage.
Yeah,
I was
I know where
in
com- I
Medbay.
know where it is.
Yeah, I asked. I didn't know where it was.
Who died? This could have been a double kill, by the way.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh wait,
saw white.
what do you mean it could have been the double kill?
Because I only saw
There was
white,
only one
maybe
death
yellow
in the
was
first
around
round,
it.
so it is
Yeah,
double.
it's a double.
There was 2 kills.
E.
Okay, where was everybody? Where was everybody?
Gonna say
Let's
something.
I was in reactor.
Doing scan.
I was in reactor with you, Lemonry.
I last saw
I was
red.
in Medbay doing scan.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And someone brought the body, so
Okay,
I
okay,
couldn't
so-
finish.
Wait.
Oh, you
what did
couldn't
say?
finish! I was doing Simon Says. How do you think that feels?
Oh, wait, hold on. Bacon, what did you
doing
say?
a scan. I
Hold
said
up,
I was in
Bacon.
Medbay.
You were not in Medbay. I was just in Medbay.
Yes, I was. No,
You
you
were
weren't.
not. I was
Duh,
about
duh,
to
duh.
address him. I was about to
Yeah.
address him. You were not in Medbay.
Oh, that's
Wait,
tough.
Spyro, what's your
on the
name again?
scanner.
Yeah, I did not fucking see you. I did not see you.
I didn't see you either. Where the hell were you?
I just went into Medbay and then the reactor went off.
Wait, Spyro, what's your
I
in-game name?
was instant- Oh shit.
Oh my god, does that... I'm actually mad. Okay, please someone fix the oxygen. Okay. So, oxygen and nav. Let's see if there's any bodies in here. Nope, okay. Oh, okay, cool.
Nice.
Yo,
Where?
bacon.
Okay,
Can I?
Bacon, I knew it was fucking bacon. I knew it was
What?
fucking bacon.
Can I
It's
ask-
bacon?
Guys,
What?
can I
I
ask
saw her vent.
our visual tasks on? Because I saw Martin doing
No,
the,
fish-
like, weapons. Okay.
Official test.
Yeah, Martin
like I
was
didn't see it.
clear. Martin is clear.
Or
Martin was
Johan.
clear.
Wait, so why is it bacon though?
I saw
Yeah, why
her
is
jump
it me?
into the vent.
Yeah, but
Oh.
we need-
Your brown
She was-
body.
And she said she was in medbay, so I believe you. I believe you.
Right, she was in shields, right? She was just waiting there. I was with Black
What?
and Martin before they died.
on me
I had a
voted.
task there.
Okay,
Who
bacon.
are you
can
voting?
supply. Thank you very much. Brown.
How am I
Alright.
lying? Screw
Okay.
you. You
Close.
could have killed me
Wait there,
easily.
vote.
Yeah,
I sentence you to 10 to
Relax.
life.
I saw you then, alright? Now mute up. Uh-huh.
At least admit it. Come on, be honorable.
Yeah, I know, right?
No.
I swear, I get the feeling that those two people are the imposter. That was just their strat. Because confirm ejects are off, so it would make sense. Okay. Actually, I think everyone was there. Okay.
Where?
It was in Medbay, and I believe I saw Svader running alongside him on cameras. Like, they were both on top, running.
I was
Okay,
in
dude.
electrical, but I didn't.
There's
do
a
it,
vent
I
that
swear.
goes there, and I saw Blue enter
Yeah, I
medbay, so
know,
I
I
think it
know.
is Vader. I think it is Vader.
Because of that, I
Okay.
said. Yeah, okay. I can.
No defense.
No, you get a defense. Oh wait, oh wait.
I know I'm suspicious, but I'm. Yeah, I don't really
You
know
were on
what to
camera
say.
together, and now he's fucking dead. So that's
Yeah,
enough
but
for me.
no, I was running on south.
I mean,
I
I
didn't-
did see.
You were.
did-
I
you
saw literally on
orange
camera. It's
color.
Wait, I
Svader.
didn't even.
You
come-
literally weren't.
I ruined the medbay.
What the fuck? My
Yeah,
goodness,
I-
baby.
Wait. Where
I mean,
did
you
see
have a
her?
chance here because Red is gonna vote
I'm
himself.
running
So
from the south and going to electrical, and I know it's suspicious to be in electrical after kill medbay, but yeah, I can't do anything about it.
They were literally fucking together.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
You
hey,
were. I literally saw on camera that they were together.
If it's not sweeter, then I bet it's Sonja.
well, if it's not
I think it's-
Vader, then we lost. So
Yeah, no. But we'll see what happens now.
Yeah.
I feel like it's Sonja, to be honest.
Why?
God damn it.
Oh.
PayPal me $20.
We're screwed. It's over. It's over. It's over. No, 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 no! We could have got the button! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna go around. Go around, come on, let's go! I got it! I got the button! It's Thornhill! It's Thornhill! Yes!
No, I'm not a literally,
What a
no,
clip.
shut up. Martin, listen to me.
Thornhill, no, you literally shouted fuck. Thornhill, you literally shouted fuck. There's no defending yourself.
Listen, if you would all just quiet down.
I can't believe going around worked.
If you could all just shut the fuck up.
Shut up! God.
I'm not the imposter. No, don't Martin. Oh my
Through the closed door, what the pussy? What the
fuckers. You motherfuckers. Bacon, why are you such a terrible imposter?
How do you mess it up?
Let's go!
Kill and then vented in front of everyone, Bacon.
Oh my god.
It would come from there. Jesus Christ.
No, Thornhill, don't blame your fucking partner. You were just trash.
No, I am gonna. I got 90% of the fucking kills and oh my god.
You're still messed up.
You were legit staring up us through the oxygen.
You could have easily won that.
Guys, relax, please. I'm so tired of getting imposter. It's freaking annoying.
I honestly just want to, like, get imposter at some point and just, like, vent just in front of everybody just to see what they do. Okay, that almost looked like Green just did that. That was pretty sus, but he's not that stupid, probably, so. Oh my god, can someone hit the freaking button? I thought we were gonna die. Okay, let's see.
We almost fucking lost! What took you guys so long?
Shut up.
That's what I was saying! Oh my god.
Where was it?
So I just walked up to electrical with black, and then the body was just
Yeah, we saw that.
top right.
Who was I in reactor with?
To do the thing. And then
I did top reactor. I don't know why.
I did bottom
Thornhill
reactor.
looked like he was
Why
faking
were
it.
there so many people in reactor and no one could
Yeah, I
fucking
was
press the button?
taking-
I don't know!
I was the first over there, man. What are you on about?
We have 6 imposters!
Maybe
I saw Lime coming from Medbay area, like really late, so he might have vented from electrical
Vented,
to
yeah.
Medbay.
Okay, Lime, are we
And then-
voting Lime? I want to vote Lime. I just want to.
I'll skip, I'll skip.
Yeah.
Skip.
Yo, skip, kill
Come
Lime.
on, come on,
Let's
come
go
on.
Lime,
No,
Lime,
Thornhill,
Lime.
I
I'm
hope you
gonna
fucking
skip,
burn in
Oh,
hell.
it's totally
Wait, you're Lime?
Yeah,
Oh,
one
now I
sec.
want to vote him even more.
Yeah, fuck yeah, fuck you bastard. Go fuck your mom, you fucking incestuous little cunt. You're fucking inbred. You're a fucking inbred. By the way, the second imposter is Thornhill.
I'm sure it's purple because when they did the asteroids, it did not show any animation.
That's because
Visual
visual
tests
tests are off.
Just visual tests are off.
Yeah, they're literally off, Martin. You
Bruh.
monk.
Fuck you.
Did you just say you monk?
Oh,
Where was it?
Electrical entrance.
Alright.
Well, I can vouch for Red. Red and I did medbay scan.
Alright, yeah, I saw you
Thornhill
guys
can-
actually do the
Yeah,
math.
yeah. I saw also.
Should I talk
Alright.
about my whereabouts and where have I been before I found the body?
Yeah, wait, what color are you?
Black.
Alright.
What do you mean black?
Wait a second, how many imposters did it say were left? Oh wait, it doesn't say, that's right, yeah, because
okay.
confirm checks are
Yeah,
off,
can you
so.
please, Johan, just next round, turn on, confirm eject.
No.
Okay.
If it actually is Thornhill, that's gonna be really sad.
Yeah, if he is.
Fucking
Yeah.
vote him, fucking vote him,
Orange,
fucking
where
vote
were you?
Yeah, okay.
You're
Orange, where were
dead.
you?
Shut the fuck up. No,
Hey,
I'm not.
Orange,
making
orange. Sweeter, where were you?
Yeah. I
Where were
was
you?
running across medbay in the reactor thing.
Into reactor, so you
Tune,
went
yes,
left.
because that's worth it.
What about
I
you,
don't know if I
Sweeter?
saw that. I was coming
I
from there,
know
but
how
it could have
to-
been more recent, so I don't know.
But I
Yeah, when
saw
the
like
lights
a
were
lot
off,
of
you
people
were
on
in
the.
A drag.
Red.
Engage in voting for
Ari, you
yourself.
need help, honestly.
Yes, I do.
This one's really cool. Okay, that's epic. Oh my god, Thornhill, what? Oh god, it's Thornhill. It's so Thornhill. Wait, actually, maybe he was just charting course. So... Oh, come on, we gotta go. Okay, it's good. Okay, more than one person coming in here. Still don't know how many imposters are left, so it could be Drag and, Green. Okay, okay, Nav, Admin. Do Admin.
I fucking knew there was gonna be a body there.
Where
It
is
said
it?
like security. Like the entrance to security.
Yeah, I was in oxygen right.
Top
over
oxygen or bottom oxygen?
top oxygen.
I was with, I think, Dio at the bottom
I can
oxygen.
confirm with
I was
yellow.
not at bottom oxygen.
Okay, then I forgot. I'm mixing up with someone else. I was with somebody. I forgot who though.
Yeah, you were with
bottom
Akala
oxygen?
and me.
I was with who?
Akala
Okay.
and me and Admin.
So that's
Oh,
I
okay.
believe Sweeter and Thornhill.
Yeah.
I
No,
think
I
it was
was
Sweeter
Sweeter
and
then.
Thornhill.
I
But
was
wait, does
right-
anyone actually see him in upper O2?
Yeah, I was
Sweeter.
somebody.
I
was
saw
always.
him at upper O2. I was
Yeah.
there.
Wasn't Sweeter and Dio and top oxygen?
Yeah. We were.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that leaves
too.
Thornhill. Thornhill loves to self-report.
Yeah.
No, listen, okay, you can vote me out now all you want. I just want you to know that when the game doesn't end, after this, I want all of you to vote Okala. Mark my fucking words, it's
No,
Okala.
he scanned. He
It
scanned.
isn't me.
We
I
saw him.
scanned.
We
I
saw him
was with
scan.
No,
Mark.
it's Martin.
You
sure,
can't
I'm
see
gonna
people
vote for
scan.
Martin.
Was with me the whole
You
time.
can't actually see the scan itself.
Alright, Svader, it's gonna be Svader.
I'm bored. What do I do if I finish my task?
You can tell us who the imposter is.
Are you sure?
Not at all.
Okay. Okay, no body, so Dio's probably fine. Oh god, I freaking knew it was Fader! Dude, that scared me.
Okay, somebody's dead, right?
Oh, yeah.
Purple's dead.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw purple go into electrical. Last.
Saw purple going to electro.
Who
Who
was
said
also
that?
in.
I did.
It's orange.
Okay, yeah, it's orange.
Now I
Right.
found a little suspicious. He's
Unless it's a
stand
big
really low
coincidence.
still.
Unless it's a big
Why,
coincidence.
I
As
am.
soon as yellow finished scan, a ghost finished the task.
Yeah,
It's gotta
but
be orange.
yellow didn't. I think he faked it because it cost a really long time.
Okay, first
But-
off. this
Yeah,
is-
I don't trust it, but that's my.
I don't trust orange. Let's just vote him out and end the game because I have to go right now.
Yeah, but if you vote me out now, then you're fucked. If
If I
I'm
vote
not
you out, the
imposter.
game ends. You are
Yeah.
imposter.
No, I'm not.
Nah, you are.
Okay. You won. I
Good
was
try,
so
Sweeter.
close.
Honestly, good try.
Oh, so
Yeah,
it
dude.
was.
My fucking god. I told you to vote him. and you-
Hey!
I told you guys to
Kill
vote
me.
I
him.
didn't even get to
I
kill
know.
anybody.
Oh my
I
god.
really didn't even get to kill anybody. It's fucking an on. It's so pissing me off.
The second imposter is Thornhill!
Stories of Plague Dr. Waifu gather around children, including my
Plague
own.
Dr. Waifu.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ooh, let's go.
Now that's
Okay,
king.
so it all starts one day, probably sometime in my childhood. Anywho, my dad likes
Oh,
to
shit.
put me. My dad likes to put
No, I
me in
don't
an
watch
arm
cuties.
lock.
Oh, wait, I'm out. I'm not. I don't watch fucking cuties.
My dad likes to put me in an arm lock to choke me. 'Cause that's his way of, that's his way of showing affection. So one day, my dad doesn't realize I'm on mic with everyone. He comes in my room, almost breaks my headset, puts me in a chokehold, and chokes me in front of everyone.
And then you were like,
I wish I was
Daddy.
And everyone starts thinking I have a
Ah! Oh yes!
Your dad.
Ah!
And then, I have another story for you that involves apples, right,
On
Martin?
the apple one.
Oh,
There we
yes,
go.
the apple,
I like
hell
that
Okay,
one.
so
Just start the game, by the way, Jochen.
one day I'm in a VC.
No,
with
wait, no,
Martin,
wait,
and then,
wait, stop. Wait,
No, we
starting.
just
There's
don't
two people
mute.
joining.
Just go.
No, let's just wait by the table and wait for her to finish the story, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
Imposters and crewmates unite.
Alright,
to
alright,
hear
alright,
about
alright.
Me getting choked.
Okay, do you guys want to watch me vent?
Move, peasant.
I want to be the SM.
Okay, so I'm eating apples and then I choke on the apple. Martin here says, who chokes you better, you or your dad?
Oh my god, who the hell did that? No, Martin! It's bacon! It's bacon!
What?
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Story time, my guy.
Who
But
was
you,
it? I was
Martin
gonna say-
died right as he got mentioned.
Story time ever.
Bacon, continue, please continue, bacon.
Anyhow,
Yeah.
so then I start laughing and choking even more, and then
Ooh.
silence. My dad.
It's a basically, yeah, it's not.
Love the sound effects. Love the sound effects.
The sound
Who
effect.
looks at the apple or her dad, and then she says her dad. I think.
Yeah, who did you vote
Yes.
for?
Daddy, which is
Yeah.
Martin.
Wait, who?
He
Martin,
killed
who
in front of
killed
us.
you?
Okay, I'll vote white as well.
I'm not gonna say it.
I'm trusting you, homie.
What? Oh, and fun fact, my mom likes to smack me. Just put it in there, too.
Oh, same.
The smack that smiles back. Story time.
Okay.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm gonna vote yellow for the sake of voting yellow.
Oh, rip John. Yeah, let's vote John. Let's vote John. Get John out of here.
Anyhow, basically, my mom comes in and I thought she was gonna hit me and tell me to go to bed, even though I had 20 minutes left. But good news, she only hit me when I told her I thought
Okay, then we should vote bacon so she actually goes to bed then.
What?
No,
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 I
no.
have 15 minutes!
It's
We still have
bedtime.
story time. We still
That's
need story
15
time.
minutes
We still
too
have
long.
story time.
Thank you.
Story time!
Okay, Mumford and Sons.
Okay.
On 89.3 the current. Thanks.
Yeah, we're
again.
gonna lose. It's like it's
It's
enough.
probably purple.
Okay.
No, it's not me. I fixed the lights,
Storyteller
goddammit.
says it's purple. Storyteller says it's purple. Just vote purple.
No, I think it's blue. I think it's Spyro because Black followed me to lights and he didn't kill me, so I think it's either
No,
bacon
I
or.
stayed near bacon the entire time. I could have killed bacon. I could literally.
That's
the
true,
lights
that's
up
true,
went
that's
off and
true.
I
I
could've
mean,
killed bacon.
I was
Well, yeah,
legit
you
just
could've,
standing
like,
there.
did
Okay.
I didn't kill anyone.
I am the only one without a plague mask here, so.
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, just vote me. Yeah. Oh yeah, before I die, I just wanted to let you know it's Spyro. Yeah.
Hey,
Anywho.
let's go. Let's go, white.
Wait, how much
Freaking
time do I have
called
left?
it.